Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install updates on the Razer Blade 15. To do it, go into settings, so let's go to settings and then go to Windows Update. Then you should see the updates here. If you cannot see any, then you should see a button to check for updates and it will check for them, and if any show up, then that means that updates are available. And you can just click on download and install next to any of those that you want to install, or you can click on download and install all to do that, and then they're gonna download and install, and some of them will require a restart. So if they require a restart, you should restart your device and the updates will be applied. So now let's wait until they install and see if they require restart in my case. And as you can see, none of my updates required a restart, but if they do in your case, then you should restart your laptop and you should be good to go. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.